preliminary documentation of skin lesions on bottlenose dolphins off Cape May, New Jersey. My name is Melissa Laurino, and I work with the Cape May Whale Watch and Research Center and Stockton University.
My name is Alayna Robertson, and I work for the Cape May Whale Watch and Research Center.
My name is Dr. Michael Denk. I'm a naturalist at Cape May Whale Watch and Research Center, as well as a guest investigator at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution.
The health of bottlenose dolphins is a direct reflection of the health of the environment in which they live. They biomagnify toxins, making them vulnerable to disease that may manifest as skin lesions. Skin lesions are an indicator of poor health and disease and can be linked to a wide variety of viral, fungal, and other causes. Cape May, New Jersey's bottlenose dolphins are a part of the northern migratory stock in the Atlantic, migrating as far north as New York during the warm water months and as far south as North Carolina during the cold water months. Cape May is utilized as a feeding, mating, and birthing ground for this species. A visual health assessment of skin lesions through photo identification studies can give us further insight to population viability, disease susceptibility, and ecosystem health for future conservation efforts.
To collect data on the skin lesions observed in bottlenose dolphins within our area, we utilized opportunistic photo identification techniques. The data presented in this poster is from the year 2019 and was collected during the months of April through November. During that time period, there were a total of 842 tertiary truncatus sightings documented. Out of these, however, only 521 contained data that was of high enough resolution image-wise for this project. We utilized FinFinder software to assist in identification of individual dolphins. We utilized definitions provided by the following authors: Toms et al. In their 2020 paper, Hart et al. In their 2012 paper, and Bertulli in the 2012 paper.
Out of 521 sightings, one or more types of skin lesions were observed in 77% of those sightings. 53% of those sightings had at least two types of skin lesions documented. Overall, 12 categories of skin lesions were documented, and one additional category of unclassified lesions were documented as well. Among the most prevalent that were cited are dark fringe lesions, white fringe lesions, and tattoo lesions. We also documented hyperpigmentation with dark spots, mottled lesions, vesicular lesions, expansive annular lesions, rake mark associated lesions, lobomycosis or fungal-like lesions, white amorphous lesions, spotted lesions, and black amorphous lesions as well. The unclassified lesions were present in 9% of the sightings, which could represent progressions or regressions of an already documented or known lesion type. Many of them resembled expansive annular lesions, but didn't fit the current definitions. The example of an unclassified lesion shown is visually similar to the expansive annular lesions associated with poor water quality. However, the direct cause of most of these lesions is unknown, as these are highly mobile animals and also a migratory stock. However, tattoo-like lesions or tattoo skin disease are caused by pox virus and often affect calves and juveniles without established immune systems, sometimes resulting in mortality. Presence of tattoo skin disease shown in adults could be caused by a compromised immune system due to a degraded environment. Dark fringe lesions as well as spotted are thought to be potentially pathogenic related to pox virus, and white fringe lesions are also thought to be potentially pathogenic related to herpes virus.
Data analyzed for this project is a part of an ongoing effort with Cape May Whale Watch and Research Center.
In particular, we're interested in looking at individuals with known identification numbers to see how the lesions develop over time in the same individual dolphin. We're also interested in looking at how these lesions develop in various social groups, for example, across mother and calf pairs. Other directions for this project include looking at the type and prevalence of the lesions across different bottlenose dolphin populations. For example, comparing the lesions seen on pelagic bottlenose dolphin with our coastal ecotype. In addition to this, we're very interested in collaborating with stranding networks in our region. While we can see the visual appearance of the lesions via photo identification methods, we cannot tell the etiology just by looking at them. That can only be determined by looking at samples from animals, in most cases stranded,